G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my tabletop standard. Today I'm going to be painting up my Ninja All-Stars board game by Ninja Division. They start off as just coloured plastic and I'm just going to make them look a little bit more interesting.
I basically just picked a dark, mid and highlight and sprayed the whole model black, got a darkish blue, and I decided that I'm going to have all of them with the sharp bits in the weapon producing or being where the light emanates from. So I just got myself a big brush and did a lot of the darkest colour, a little bit less of the mid-tone colour, and even less of the light colour. That simple. Making sure that I always dragged from the brightest part of the weapon away, so I'm not highlighting it where the shadows will be or highlighting it the opposite direction. You'll also see that I skipped like that bright color that in between the two that I'm using. I decided I didn't actually want that color as I was putting the paints down. It was going to be more like it was looking too much like a sky color, but I was wanting it to look more like a sea colour, so sort of more of a greeny blue than such a bright sky blue. And this green clan up in the top left, same deal. I did the base and mid-tones the same as I did with the other two. I was experimenting around with a way to apply colours and highlight things. I decided to apply it with a sponge. I decided to apply the highlight with a sponge. It came on a little bit stronger than I had hoped, but that's really just my application of it really. So as you see, with this white, I'm not wanting to put too much on it, but just making it the lightest part of the model. This purple clan, I did the same as the blue one actually. I just used a brush for the base, mid and highlights for it. Although I didn't use any white in with the brightest one on the weapons. In hindsight, probably should have. It would have made them stand out a bit more and just make the whole model pop a bit. But I guess I just didn't. I'm just using black to redefine some of the areas that may have got a bit too blended into each other, just helping redefine some of those shadows, some of those dark lines. And there we have it. There's my finished model. Here's one on my blue team.
Well, now that they're all painted, just got to get them onto the table and play a few games. I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. They're a little bit more visually interesting now. Just colours to represent different teams rather than painting them up full colours. And it does the job for what I want it to do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. I'd love for more people to see my videos. If this is the kind of thing you're interested in, please share it and let other people know about the channel. And also, I'd love for you to comment. I'll enjoy reading them. I like hearing the feedback. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.